It's a Friday evening. It's also Labour's Day. Wishing you all a very happy Labour's Day. इस Labour's Day में हम आपके लिए कुछ अनोखा लेकर आ रहे हैं क्योंकि I thought let's celebrate Labour's Day in a different style. Over the last 2 weeks, we've given you so much information. We've made you perfectly well for the wellness. You've got to do everything. But this time around, we are giving you a dose of an extra entertainment and celebrate Labour's Day at the best way possible. Welcome to Wellness 360 at Home, brought to you by ICICI Lombard. My name is Mithun Upadhyay. We are live right now in this portal on Facebook as well as Instagram, जहां पर हमें लाखों लोग देख रहे हैं, and we're very very happy to have you all here because it's going to be a fun evening. ऐसे भी होना चाहिए क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर Wellness at 360 लेकर आ रहे हैं. So what is coming our way? Well, we have among us one of the most finest dancer, a choreographer, an actor, a storyteller, and an amazing human being. So you want to know who is he, right? So here we go. Well, he's a well-renowned choreographer and actor who has made a mark for himself in every household name of India. He has been associated with the biggest dance shows in the country, namely Dance India Dance, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, Dance Plus, to name a few. He has also acted in the biggest dance franchisee movies of the country, ABCD1, ABCD2, and of course, Street Dancer. Popularly known as the Dance Ka Dimag, brains behind dance, he's known for his innovative style of dancing and choreography and has been given a landmark routines and signature moves, a perfect blend of talent, hard work, and diligence. He's also an inspiration to millions of aspiring dancers across the world. We're very happy to welcome one of the most amazing human beings whom even I love the most, the one and only Punit J. Pathak with us right now here at Wellness 360 at Home. Punit ji, hi, how are you?
Hello. How are you guys doing? How are you doing?
I'm doing extremely well. How are you doing? I hope everybody's safe.
Everybody's safe. I hope you're safe. I hope people who are watching, listening are also safe and at home, most importantly.
That's true. That's why we have this Wellness 360 at home कि घर में बैठो और बहुत कुछ सीखो. And today we are really excited. करीबन लाखों लोग देख रहे हैं. They really want to know what are you going to do today. So आज क्या होने वाला है हमारे शो में?
To start with, first I would like to congratulate you guys for such a beautiful initiative because full credit you are only taking. Very good. There are a lot of people behind it, so I would like to thank all of them. The brains, the creatives, the technicians, everything to make it happen. Because abhi jo samay chal raha hai, a lot of people go through a lot of ups and downs, not only physically but mentally also. In that process, if you have something happening evening mein ek do ghante ke liye, there's something to look up forward to. So that's very good, and I'm really happy that you guys thought that I'm capable of coming in this and sharing my experience, my journey, my whatever it is, and be here. On first me, I like it. I like it's ideally a bank holiday, but it doesn't make any difference right now. Could change nahi hota hai, but yeah, I am happy. I'm glad, and I would like to share as much knowledge as I can as far as dancing is concerned, as far as my experience is concerned.
We are very delighted, and trust me, we're really motivated and looking forward for this whole session because I know you're an amazing human being, and the best part is your storytelling of emotions. So today we'll learn a lot more. We'll get to know also about you a little more that people do not know. So I'm excited. So is everyone. Let the session of wellness begin.
Yes. So to start with, a lot of people know my journey. People who don't, I would like to share that with you guys. So it started in front of everyone. Camera ke liye it started in DID, Dance India Dance, 2009, 2010, and today we are sitting on 2020. So it's actually 10 years. Few days back, the finale of Dance India Dance season 2 had finished 10 years back. So yeah, 10 saal mein idhar tak aana, it's a long duration. At the same time, it's मतलब बोलते हैं ना बहुत समय ज़्यादा भी समय है बहुत कम समय भी है. But I think I'm grateful and thankful for people giving us, all us, the dancers, so much of love. Because when we started, my contemporaries also, dancing in general, सबसे ज़्यादा the best at it was known to be just a hobby. Starting from my home, my dad is a fabulous and a big name as far as his business is concerned. He's into textiles. So it was very difficult for him to digest for the fact that his eldest son was into dancing, which is just a hobby. So he said, ये सब ठीक है, college तक ठीक है, आगे क्या, पैसे क्या कमाएगा, career क्या होगा? His question was that because dancing as a career was not the answer for anyone that time. So before DID, I was part of Terence Lewis Contemporary Dance Company. I was their senior member for 4 years. I quit that because I didn't want to dance anymore. So I remember going in front of Terence Lewis, and I told him, this was when I was like 21. So this was around 12 years back. I told him that I have had enough of dancing. जितनी जिंदगी में dancing करनी थी मैंने कर ली. I quit dancing. I want to get into direction. So I'll be an AD for some production house, for some director. So he said, how much ever I want you to continue dancing, but I want you to explore also. And Terence, being a fabulous person from heart, he gave me the way, and he said, bro, explore yourself. I did that, and that was the worst phase of my life because I didn't have money. I had a big ego to ask money from my dad. A lot of struggle, a lot of fight amongst within yourself. वो जो fight होती है ना अपने अंदर ही question mark रहता है क्या करना है life में. That was really like every morning you wake up and you're like, is it the right decision that I'm taking? You're doubting yourself. When you doubt yourself, whichever career you take, it's a big question mark for your existence. And when you doubt your existence, that's a big problem. So that was there. Then DID season 1 came. I said no for it because I thought it won't be nothing. It won't be anything making for me because I had quit dancing. But I started missing dancing. I had quit dancing for 2 years. Then I did DID season 2. The show became a big hit. It was a big name. Dharmesh Jelande, Shakti Mohan, Puneet J. Pathak, Kuwar Amar, Kruti Mahesh, all these names started coming up, obviously because of the 3 fabulous gods of dance, which is Remo sir, Terence sir, and Geeta ma'am. So, you must be listening to all of us saying that reality show में participate करना और आगे तक आना जीतना आना अलग बात है, but उसके बाद क्या है is the actual. We say that is because we have experienced it. Because once DID was over, I was the finalist. I was second runner-up. It was like amazing. Yeah, life is fabulous. Because I remember I was staying every day, Nana karke, around 20 to 25 people in different gaps used to come, ring the bell. Arey, humne suna Puneet yahan pe. And I was staying there for around 10 years. Not a single person came. No one knew my existence. But after DID, you became a household name. And every day people used to come. So that it's very difficult to digest the fact that 187 countries, ZTV ka reach 187 countries. 187 countries know you by your name. And you're famous. And people know you. You walk onto the road, people look at you. That feeling, that vibe, that it gives you a high and it can easily take you matlab, आराम से. So for me, I realized that there are a lot of people who've done this. Season 1 of DID, season 2 of DID, a lot of dancers, a lot of upcoming stars are there. What should I do? So I took a step back. I didn't get attracted to money. I didn't get attracted to name, fame. And I didn't go for those events, जो आगरा में होता है event, chief guest को बुलाते हैं, ribbon cutting ceremony होता है, रैम शो में जाके बैठना होता है, Agra, Nagpur, Indore, Nashik, Aurangabad, all these small towns had a lot of fan following, and for them it was a big thing. A reality show star is coming. I didn't go for that. Instead, I went to Remo sir's door. I rang his bell and I said, "Sir, I want to assist you." He said, "Okay, come." And he, being a man of few words and only yes comes out of his mouth, he said, "Come." So next day, I started assisting him for a movie called Faltu. That was his debut, Remo sir, as a director. There I learned a lot. I learned a lot as far as understanding the industry is concerned. Forget the technical aspect. Something as simple as calling out a spot dada. Spot dadas, for people who don't know, these are they are the people who will take care of your basics, which is like your water, food, snacks. So if you want something, you have to call out that name. Spot Dada. You need a certain confidence, because I was standing in one corner of the road and like, Spot Dada, Spot Dada. No one used to come. So from that small aspect to actually understanding the technicalities of shooting, I started understanding that. I started learning from there. And people know me as you can see also, that I can speak, right? I am talking very confidently. It was different. It was really different because I used to stammer. English was a big question mark. Talking to girls was a big question mark. Talking to people more than 10 was a question mark. But it all was possible because I started teaching. And dancing gave me that confidence. Not because I could dance well, but because of that, I could speak also. It gave me that confidence that I could sit or stand, or with my hand, my gestures, my expressions, I could, emote, I can say. Because it's very intimidating that when you're talking and there are more than 30, 40, 50, how many of our students are there? They're looking at you. And if you do something wrong, they are judging you. They are following you. All those things are very, very intimidating. So stammering ho, confidence ho, just being comfortable as far as talking ho, is sub dancing ke wajah se hua. And I could do that. Coming back, I started assisting Remo sir. Remo sir gave me a lot of freedom, technical freedom, creative freedom. So if I'm going with an idea and I say, sir, ye karte hain, he said, okay. He would never doubt. And what that gave me was pressure. He said that Remo, I was thinking Remo D'Souza, if he's saying go ahead with it, he has full confidence in me. I can't go that. I can't go back and do bad. So that made me say that abhi to karna hi padega. So I started working on that. Then Jhalak Dikhla Ja happened. Jhalak Dikhla Ja, as a choreographer, I was called. And the first season, I'll tell you a little bit of how a reality show works behind the camera. So there are a lot of departments as far as making a 2-minute act is concerned. There's costume department, there's music department, there's props departments, there's art department, there is a technical team, there's a creative team, there's an acts team. So an act to get approved needs to go through so many processes. And I have just named a few, there are lots more. So when Jhalak Dikhla Ja started, my partner was Anushka Manchanda, the beautiful voice behind Golmaal, the first Golmaal. Yeah, she's the one, the tall one. First month is the training period with the artist. In that, they give 4 themes of 4 coming weeks of competition. And me, I was very charged up. I was like, I have to prove myself, DID ho gaya, abhi mujhe bang on perform karna, acha karna hai. And choreography, in general, I liked it. It gave me a high. I really liked the aspect of choreography because I feel it's like a superpower. You're creating something. So that gave me a kick. So in that process of 1 month of training, I actually choreographed, taught, explained the props, did the costumes, did the edits, did the viewing of 4 weeks, which is the coming 4 weeks. The show had not begun also, but I had finished with the 4 weeks. The first episode happened and I was the first one to get out. So in matter of 1 year, 2010, I was second runner-up of the biggest reality show of Indian television, Dance India Dance Season 2. And by the end of 2010, I was the first person to get eliminated of the next reality show, Jhalak Dikhla Ja. So I just realized that in a matter of months, from being really famous and touching that high of 25 people every day ringing the door, I went right down to be the first one to get eliminated. It was like a nose dive into a swimming pool without water. And I was like, damn, yaar, anything can happen in life. If you do a reality show, you don't get money. So Dance India Dance didn't give me money. It gave me fame, name. But what's next? Because what next I had thought of to be a choreographer, I am eliminated the first episode. Is this the end? Should I go back to my dad? Should I say, sorry, mujhe apne business mein wapas de lo? Should I ask for money? What should I do? Should I do a 9-to-5 job? And then I took a step back and I said that, you know what, if luck is not favoring me, let's push and push really hard and work really hard. I personally believe that in life, three things makes a person, which is hard work, luck, and talent. If you're talented, you're in that profession, which can be anything. Nowadays, especially, if you're talented at anything, you focus on that, and that should be your A game. Then there is hard work, and then there is luck. Luck is not in your hand. Why to invest money, energy, time on something which is not in your hand? So the only thing left, which was my hard work. So I said, let me work really hard, double hard, triple hard. And there was a shift as far as my thought process is concerned. Nowadays, people know me in the industry as one of the most hardworking. I don't sleep for 2-3 days. Even if I'm sleeping, I sleep for 4-5 hours, which is not good. But I work on 2-3 projects at the same time. Not a single reality show is not left which I have not done in front of the camera or behind the camera. I think easily more than 50 to 60 reality shows I've done. I've participated, I've choreographed, I have supervised, I have directed, I've been the stage director, I have judged. All that was possible because of this phase that I'm talking about, the shift change. I said, let's work hard. I started working 20 hours a day. I started assisting Remo sir. There's something called making a board as in making a list of assistants and dancers for a certain project, whether it's a stage show, whether it's an award show, whether it's a movie song, or whatever it is. I was not part of that list for the first few of them. I said, no problem, I'll still go for it because I didn't go for the money, as I said earlier. I didn't go for name, fame, as I said earlier. I went as far as my एक बिल्डिंग खड़ी करते जितनी भी बिल्डिंग लंबी करनी हो उतना नीचे घुसना पड़ता है और उसका बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ता है, राइट? So I said, let's go with the reverse. Let me go down and make my base really strong so that I can create, I don't know when, but whenever I'll make a very biggest sky tower possible. And that would have required me going down, really down. I went there, I started working really hard. As I said, 20 hours a day without money. I remember I used to sleep on the signals. I used to see how I can afford the next day, the food coming in for myself. So then I did a reality show called Chak Dum Dum. And I did another show which you guys won't remember. It was a small show. It was a 2 weeks one. There in these both shows, I was working simultaneously. And because I had to maintain both the shows, I had to choreograph quick. So out of desperation, I started choreographing quickly because I had to make sure I finish this so that I can go here. Then I finish this, then I can go here. In that process, I started pushing. You know, there are people who work really well under pressure. And this was my training period for that. And at this moment, I can choreograph very quickly is because I was trained that way. Then you name it. Those shows. So in the industry, if more than anything, it is the word, right? In any industry, not Bollywood or television industry. In general, any industry, if you've delivered, so people will call you, right? So I made sure that happens. I had to client servicing ho, PR activity ho, अपना काम ठीक से करना हो, maintaining a nice and healthy work ethics ho. Every aspect now I didn't study. I don't study, I can't read books and all that. But I learned a lot on the job, on the flow. So I did that. And then one by one people started realizing, okay, इसके लिए पुनीत को बुलाओ, उसके लिए पुनीत को बुलाओ, इसके लिए पुनीत को बुलाओ. अभी ये सब करते करते 1 साल निकल गया from the first season of Jhalak Dikhla Ja, where I got eliminated, to the second season. By the second season, people realized who are the makers that okay, this guy is good. He's got some weight. So then they gave me Shivani Dandekar as an artist, again a beautiful soul, and there at the same time one day Remo sir calls and says that, and I was assisting Remo sir. So Remo sir says, "अरे पुन्नू क्या कर रहा है?" I said, "सर कुछ नहीं, आप बोलो." "अरे काम कर प्रिंस, तू धर्मेश, मयूरेश, काम करो घर पे आ जाओ." बोलो "Okay sir." I thought for some show to assist बुलाया होगा. हम लोग को बिठाया, and there were other men also. There were a lot of people in that room in his house. And he looks at 4 of us and he points at those men and he says, "ये है सचिन, ये है जिगर, ये दोनों म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स हैं. ये है तुषार, ये है मयूरपुरी, लिरिसिस्ट और राइटर है. तो and then he pointed all four of us and he said, और ये तुम्हारे 4 actors हैं. And then we are looking at each other, we're looking at Ramos and we're confused. Like, actors, I thought dancers, I don't know what he's saying. He said, "Nee, I remember a few days or a few months back I had said that I'll make a movie. So I am making that dance movie and you guys are acting in it." I still have goosebumps because we didn't know. It took me 2-3 days to realize for the fact that actually bade screen mein I will be seen. I didn't think of actor, hero kaun hai, heroine kaun hai, all that thing. Just the fact he pointing at us in front of these writers, lyricists and music directors saying that ye tumhare actors hai. It was a big turnover. अभी हमने कर ली shooting. We were amateurs. We didn't know much about shooting. Remo sir ne, and we had a show in Hyderabad, and we were in a hotel room. And Remo sir, and after the show, we were just in the room chilling. And Remo sir said, "अरे, तेरा जो role है ना मैं change कर रहा हूँ." So, and by then we had started, acting workshops and all that. And I knew some story बता दी थी, सब हो गया था ऊपर से. एंड रेमो सर ने बोला कि तेरा एक रोल है मैं चेंज कर रहा हूँ. तो मैं सर ठीक है, जो आपकी मर्जी. नहीं, वो है ना, वो मर जाएगा. मैं सर मर जाएगा? बोला हाँ. So in that moment the only question that came into my head was, सर इंटरवल के पहले मर रहा है कि इंटरवल के बाद मर रहा है? सर आई लाफिंग एंड सर सेड इंटरवल के बाद शायद. हाँ सर ठीक है, तो थोड़ा तो देखूंगा सर, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. And then he explained the character I shot, and Chandu was the character's name, and till date people call me that. And how much ever thank you I tell Remo, say it's less, because that changed my life. That was my phase 2. Phase 1 was me getting eliminated after seeing the heights of DID, getting eliminated. That made me work really hard. And phase 2 was this, where Remo sir Joe gave me that role, and then that became a household name. I think it was 2013, which changed everything for me, because this came to my life. And every dancer dreams of having a hook step by his or her name. And I was lucky enough to get that. I didn't know. None of us knew. No one knows what's going to happen in life. While making the movie, no one knew, no one thought, and especially me, that it's gonna be a cult movie, and me as a character Chandu would be appreciated so much, and people would appreciate not only my dancing skills but my acting skills also. And then while ABCD got, it got released, I got paired up with Lauren, who was also the co-actor in the movie. So simultaneously, Lauren was with me on Jhalak Dikhla Ja and ABCD ka Chandu. So me as an actor, as a dancer in ABCD, and me as a choreographer in Jhalak Dikhla Ja, everywhere I was being appreciated. And this was not time, luck or anything. I don't believe that. I believe because of 2010 se leke 2013, the 3 years I slept, as I said, like 4-5 hours a day. Because of that, like while we were shooting for ABCD 1, I used to work double shift to choreograph and help Remo sir, because I was assisting him, for DID season 3. I know there's too many names and too many reality shows, but try to understand what I'm trying to say is that there was too much of juggling around, too much of making sure that I had a point to prove, because I didn't have a godfather, I didn't have any karta dharta as far as the industry is concerned. Remo sir ne bola ye karna hai to karna hai. वो बच्चे होते हैं ना, ये करेगा हाँ करेगा कूद जा, ये करेगा हाँ करेगा कूद जा. That's what was happening. That happened, and then I started getting a lot of offers for acting. Where especially television, TVs, movies के लिए भी आया, but I had to go for look test and all that, and I said no for all of it, and people still feel bad that why didn't I go with it, because that acting was never my first love. I don't know whether you'll agree me, but honestly I'm saying cameras, I'm camera shy. I don't think I can be that comfortable in front of camera as I am behind the camera, choreographing or directing. That gave me hi that gave me a smile, that gave me a sound sleep in the night. So I went for that, and I still go for that. Then I got a call one day from the makers of DID. Like, what are you doing? I said, I'm working on IGT or whichever show I was working on. Okay, can you come down to office? Okay. They had a handy cam, and they said that we are coming up with some show, we are not naming and all that. Can you just look at this dance video and talk about this? And we'll shoot. And it was a small cabin, and we'll shoot, for what is going to happen. I said, what is going to happen? As in, no, you talk. What, as if you are a judge, you're commenting. I said, okay. So I gave a comment about the video that was there. Okay, we'll call you. Then I get a call after 2 days, and then they say that actually it was your audition to judge the next season of DID, which was DID season 5. I think first time ever in the world, if I'm not wrong. In matter of 2 seasons, a contestant became the judge of the same reality show. So DID season 2, I was a contestant, and DID season 5, I was the judge. I landed up winning that show. More than winning, it was the experience of mentoring, judging, Master Puneet J. Pathak ka wo bolna, and that same place where once Remo sir, Terence sir, and Geeta ma'am used to sit. I was sitting there. So it was like a dream come true. And I was like, yeah, it's good. Then ABCD2 came. ABCD2 again, Remo sir gave me a challenging role of a deaf and mute. That also was appreciated. And then Dance Plus happened. Dance Plus, it actually DID season 5 and Dance Plus both offered me at the same time, but DID was a little early, and I signed the paper before Dance Plus के साथ बात confirm हुई. तो इसलिए I was not there part of Dance Plus season 1 because it came at the same time, Dance Plus season 1 and DID 5. So I went with DID 5 because they offered me the opportunity first. But it's okay. In the next season, I was back with the family. I was with Remo sir, Raghav, Dharmesh, and Shakti. And it was a happy family where people really like us. So we, as a family, हम लोग घर पे बैठ के बात करते हैं, वैसे ही we talk. So yeah, this has been my journey, and just before the lockdown, I landed up directing 2 music videos. So slowly, gradually, I am going in that process, and soon, in a year or 2, you will see me as a director of full-fledged movie. Hope, fingers crossed, please pray for me. But yeah, this is what it is, and this is just the beginning. And I hope I have not bored you, because I've spoken a lot. And I hope any doubts, anything, if it is, then you can please feel free to ask anything, nothing related to dance, in general life, because I believe dancing is just one part of it. It's the way you think that makes you. So yeah, any questions? Within, if you're there, if anyone wants to ask.
Yes, I'm there listening to you. So motivating. I just love the story that you have. And the best part is, you know what? It was not I anywhere. It was we, and then we moved on to how together as a family. That's the best part about it. You just surround it with so much of vibration, happiness, and they say, right, good vibe, good life. You're a true example of that. So thank you so much. We're getting a lot of requests. How about some dance moves that we can see from your end, so that we can practice while being at home? ऐसे भी आज Friday है, तो फिर थोड़ा अगर हो जाए तो
क्या बात है, Friday? पता ही नहीं.
I knew you will say that. अब क्या करें, पर
Everyone knows what day it is. Yeah, but there is no day particular for dancing. Any day is good for dancing. So what I'll do is, right now, I don't want to, because it's not like a professional space, and I don't know what level of dancing people are watching. People who are watching, I don't know what level they are as far as dancing is concerned. But let's keep the basic of dance, which is fun, intact.
That's
I feel dancing competitive bana hai abhi, but the base root is fun. So let's have fun. And let's keep the aspect of lockdown in mind. So let's incorporate your daily things that you do and incorporate in dance. Like, for example, it's very simple. What I'll do is, but I want you guys to participate.
yes.
Khade, sote, whichever way you want, just do it, because I feel dancing is the best mode of energy, exercise. and a blood rush, heart rate high is good for your health. Whether you're a kid, whether you're an adult, whether you're middle age, whichever way, it's important to eat healthy, think healthy, and do healthy. So this is the part where you do physically healthy stuff. Just make sure you dance. थोड़ा कुछ ना कुछ तो होना ही चाहिए. So you start the day. For example, you remove soap from the water. So it's simple. So we'll do everything for four counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. People who don't understand, I'm gonna count in eights. That's musically called a bar. Bar मतलब music का अलग बार होता है. So 8 count का एक बार होता है. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that you've removed your soap, just make sure that you wipe it or put it on your face. 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that you put soap on your face, you wash it off. So you take the water and you wash it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's simple. Try to incorporate that. I'm telling you, if you follow this right now, you'll have a routine done. मतलब कोई पार्टी में किसने बोला नाचने के लिए स्टेप्स कर लो, इजीली निकल जाएगा. So जिसको लगता है मैं डांस नहीं कर सकता, नहीं कर सकती, प्लीज डू इट. और जो अच्छे से कर सकता है, who have the confidence, please go ahead and do it. You can sit and do it, you can stand and do it, right, left, till limit. Just have fun. First one is removing the soap, second is putting on your face, and the third is washing it off with water. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put your face and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Now this water on your hair, you remove it for 4 counts, you dry it off, and then you do the tatar step. Then again you remove it and you do the tatar step. So पहले साबुन निकाला, मुंह पे लगाया, मुंह धोया, बाल को सुखाया. Yeah? Let's incorporate that. We'll try it on music so you guys will know and have energy in that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wash it off and water. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dry your hair. Go. 1, 2, tatar. 6, 7, 8. Dry. 2, 3, 4, tatar. 6, 7, 8. Let's try this much on music. I hope it's very difficult because I can't see you, so I don't know what's going to happen. I hope you can hear the music. And pull it. Watch it. And dry. I hope you bought this much. I'm going ahead because it's all fun. Just the next steps. And we'll just do quickly in 5 minutes. I think you should be done with this routine. And so you washed your hair. Now you try to choose the clothes that you want to wear, you know. So there's confusion. So you say, ye wala, ye wala, ya ye wala, ya ye wala. ठीक है ना, ये 8 बार करेंगे 8 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. This one or that one? No, this one. Oh yes, this one. That one? No, this one. 7, 8. Now that you've decided, now I won't be showing the process of wearing it. Assume you own it. And full Herogiri, full Shah Rukh Khan, or whichever hero you like. Then you do the 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll just repeat. First, soap. Second, put it on your face. Third, wash it off. Fourth, dry your hair. Fifth, choose your clothes. Sixth, you're ready in Shah Rukh Khan style. Alright? After this happens, quickly 2 more I'll teach. Then you check yourself. Imagine there's a mirror and you check yourself out, where you can show this side, that side, pose. So you check yourself out on the 7th one. 8th one, you get out of your room because you have to go to the kitchen. Because whether you are a kid or you're a grown up, you're a male or a female, nowadays everyone needs to get involved in the kitchen. So kitchen becomes your very important part in the lockdown. You go to the kitchen. You walk. Your walking style can be anything. Just make sure for people who are looking for physical activity, give more energy in this process so that you burn more calories and there is a nice heart rate. And maza ka maza ho jayega, workout ka workout ho jayega. I'll repeat, then we'll do it on counts, then on music. Fatahat karte hain. So first is soap. Second is put it on face. Third is wash it off. Fourth is dry your hair. Fifth is point. कपड़े कौन से पहनने हैं. तैयार हो गया शाहरुख खान. Then pose. Then you walk out of your room to the kitchen. I'll show you the last one. All right. Let's do it from the top. And 5, 6. First one, yeah. Without music. 5, 6, 7, 8, and so. Put it in your face. Put it on your face, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Dry your hair. After this, you choose your clothes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shah Rukh Khan, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Andar aa gaya Shah Rukh Khan, 5, 6, 7, 8, and pose. Now walk. Whichever way you want. You can run also, you can thumke walk also, you can dip also, you can march also, but you walk from one place to the other. You can go on turns also. Let's try it on music. Play some. You ready? First is Sabun. 6, 7, 8. Wash. Hair. Choose your clothes. Shah Rukh Khan. अंदर आ गया. Now walk. I hope you guys are doing it. Otherwise, I'm like a fool just doing it because this is the first time I'm actually having a class where I can't see anyone. So I don't know कौन कितना कर रहा है, कोई cheating कर रहा है. People, if you're sitting and doing nothing, now please do it. Please. See, I'm working so hard, sweating and all. And yeah, please do it. Little more. Yeah, going ahead. So Mithun, you can come and stop me, because as a dancer, as a teacher, I'll continue. So
I'm dancing with you. Let's
go. Where to go?
Yeah.
Alright. Now that I'll continue. So now that we've reached the kitchen में सबसे पहले chopping करेंगे. Chopping हो, typewriter हो, कुछ भी हो. So चाकू लेके 1, 2, 3 पे slide कर दो. 2, 2, 3 स्लाइड कर दो. टमाटर हो, ककड़ी हो, आलू हो, कांदा हो, जो भी हो, 3 बार काट के स्लाइड कर दो. 4 बार करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. अभी रोटी. Roti 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll just quickly start from halfway. शाहरुख खान बन गए. So कपड़े चूज किए, कपड़े पहन लिए, शाहरुख खान बने. शाहरुख खान अंदर गया, पोज मारा, 4 पोज मारे. उसके बाद he walked out of a room to the kitchen. किचन में जाके 3, 4. Cutting the vegetables. Go. One by one and go. Vegetables done. Now go for roti. 1, 2, 3, 4 and back. 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Now we incorporate this from the top till here. Sound. Wash your face. Head. Choose your clothes. शाहरुख खान अंदर आ गया. Pose. Chopping. Roti. Alright, I think kind of आया होगा. People who are sitting and doing, just make sure you have fun. Enjoy, please enjoy. It's all about having fun. Enjoy. अभी हो गया, तैयार हो गए, नहा लिया, धो लिया, तैयार हो गए, किचन में काम हो गया. झाड़ू पटका कौन मारेगा? हम मारेंगे. So imagine this is कपड़ा section ना, कपड़ा जो कटका, कपड़ा, पोचा, पोता, जो भी बोलना है बोलो. हर एक घर में अलग अलग बोलते हैं. But there are 3 sections. One is cleaning the floor, then cleaning the wall, then cleaning the ceiling. So we incorporate all of it. Now imagine the cloth is on your one leg and niche. So you clean the floor. Then you clean the floor. Clean the floor. Clean the floor. Now this cloth is in your hand now. Now you dust off the wall. Dust off the wall. Then it's on the upper wall, the ceiling or the window, jidhar bhi hai. Just wipe it off. Wipe it off. Wipe it off. Wipe it off. Alright? If you guys want to incorporate more energy, just make sure that you just not only stick to your arms. There's more of body movement, knees bending, shoulders, head. Enjoy, have fun. Then you enjoy or probably burn more calories. People who are looking for that, that can also happen. And people who can dance well, probably you guys can incorporate your own element in it. Coming back to the entire section of kapda, तो पहले जमीन साफ किया, वाओ साफ हो गया 4 बार किया. Then कपड़ा हाथ में है, 1, 2, 3, dusting off the wall and wiping it, wiping it, wiping it, wiping it. So after you've chosen the clothes to wear, you become Shahrukh Khan, you pose in front of the mirror, you walk out from your room to the kitchen, you chop off the vegetables, you make the roti, then you start cleaning the house with your kapda, floor, wall, ceiling. Try it on music. Sound. From the top. Everyone! Try to get up from your 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, have fun! Wash your face! रोटी कपड़ा only the last bit is left. I'll just teach the last 4 counts, 8 counts, jo bhi hai, then we can do it 2 times and we can have fun. A great workout will happen. If you're listening to the music and enjoying and singing it na, मजा आ जाएगा सच्ची में. Have a lot of fun. ठीक है ना? अभी कपड़े का ही सेक्शन चालू है, इसलिए कंफ्यूजिंग क्योंकि एक कैबिनेट है. अभी इधर से पहले इधर साफ करना है, फिर ऊपर साफ करना है. हाँ तो 1 2 3 4 and ऊपर 6 7. Imagine actually a cloth is there, so the energy will come. जितने गुस्से से तुम धूल निकालते हो ना, वही गुस्सा डालना है, वही एनर्जी डालनी है. 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Once more 2 3 4. Last time. Continue and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Are we ready? Let's do it on music. Sound. I'm losing it. Sound. From the top, soap wala section se. Okay? 5 6 7 go. Full energy. शाहरुख रोटी New step. तो ये था मेरा वाला डांस, मतलब हम सबका वाला डांस. Nitin, you can come back.
Lovely, amazing, out of the box, beautiful. मजा आ गया भाई साहब, मजा आ गया. The best part is you just told us how to do everything in the kitchen. Basically घर पे बैठे हो, लॉकडाउन और बढ़ चुका है अभी, तो घर पे बैठ के खाना बनाओ और डांस करो and have the best of time. Thank you so much for giving us all this. But most importantly, we're getting so many feedbacks about the story you shared us, about your story. That's beautiful. And everybody's asking so many questions. So I will just take 2 questions because of time constraint. And then I'll take 1 question of mine, जो कि होने वाला है बहुत ही serious और गंभीर. पर भाई, I like how Punit is on the floor now.
I hope that people are also out of breath right now the way I am.
Yes, everybody is. We are getting very good response, by the way, everywhere. So
Yeah.
let's ask you one quick question.
Please.
Some short dance steps that involves high cardio. एक क्वेश्चन पूछा है शाहनवाज ने कि कोई ऐसा स्टेप्स हो जिसमें हाई कार्डियो इन्वॉल्व हो.
Anything to do with Bhangra is cardio. If you see your high intensity training also, there's a lot of squats, there's a lot of jumping, there's lots of bending from your hips and knees. Any dance movement which has those movement and done with full energy, I think is the highest level of energy consuming wala step. And in general, anything right now, also if मैं खाली सब्जी काट रहा हूँ, if I can do this way, it's not energy नहीं होगा. मैं पर ऐसे करूँगा तो energy burn होगा. So it's amount of energy you put physically also.
So नवाज जी, आपको एनर्जी लगाना पड़ेगा तभी आपका कार्डियो हो पाएगा, तो थोड़ा सा और एफर्ट लगाइए तब मजा आएगा. हमारा दूसरा सवाल आपके बचपन के बारे में है. Can you tell us about some of those childhood memories where you first started dancing and you were like, अरे हाँ dancer बनना है.
First मैंने dance कब किया था? When I was I think 17 years old, 16 years, 17 years old. Yeah, that's very late.
Really?
Yeah, before that I wanted to be a cricketer.
Oh wow, that's a
big spinner, 3-down batsman. So first time I danced was when I was 16, 17 years old. I danced for the talent hunt for my college, which is Xavier's College. There were 89 girls who auditioned for it and only one boy.
The star in front of us right now.
Yeah, so I danced on Who Let the Dogs Out and Nikamma Kiya Is Dil Ne. That song I danced on. So yeah, that was the first time I actually danced in front of the audience professionally. Uske pehle,
looking at you, it seems like you've been dancing from the first day you were born. But 17 साल में पहली बार डांस किया, and look at him, 10 years of professional career, and he is a true legend for many teenagers, for many aspiring dancers across the world, and we are so proud of him. Before you go, I'm gonna ask you to teach me your signature move so that I can learn a little as well. जो कि हाँ डांस बहुत कम आता है मेरे को, पर फिर भी.
Okay.
भाई.
Okay.
Easy way, okay.
Now I'll require all of you to do this.
Okay.
Before we go into this step of mine, it's a very simple exercise. Thumb, finger, only the index finger.
Okay.
And then just switch.
Sorry. That's tricky. Yeah, somewhere like that, right?
Both of it. So that's the biggest. Actually, you're just moving your fingers. You think nothing is that difficult, but it is because dancing. If you actually break it down, it's actually on the basics. Basics, it is a mind and body coordination. So it takes a lot to actually coordinate this. As far as this is concerned, but this is a homework. You can do it anytime, anywhere. You know, for anyone who wants to. You know,
it's a good brain teaser. You know, it's a very good brain teaser.
It is. First, you isolate. Isolation is focusing on any single body part or a muscle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each set of a finger, small, ring, middle, index on one direction, then the other direction. And then I try to get the opposite. See, this is a matter of like probably 10 to 15 days of everyday doing. You won't get it in a matter of minutes. But I'm teaching you the process.
Playing cricket for sure, brother. Oh my God. This is like almost learning guitar again.
Finger follow.
Wow. Look at those signature moves of Puneet that I'm trying to do. Nothing close to what he's doing. But that's what the master is all about. And there he was with us today at Wellness 360 at Home, brought to you by ICICI Lombard. Thank you so much, Puneet Bhai, for joining us. It has been the most amazing series ever. And by the way, जब हम डांस कर रहे थे, एक नई खबर आई है कि लॉकडाउन 17 तारीख तक बढ़ चुका है, जो आपको पता चल गया होगा. So I'm sure we'll get back to you very soon. And just want to tell one thing from my side and the whole team side, that there are different type of people, there are different type of dancers, choreographers, but finding a human being in this is what it takes. And you're a true amazing human being. Be the one you are. We all love you for who you are. Thank you so much for joining us here at Wellness.
Pleasure.
Wishing you can only go beyond the sky, beyond the clouds, make us all proud.
And we can pray that you or everyone who's watching it should also be successful in their dreams and achieve that sooner than later. God bless all of you. Take care. Please be at home and be safe.
One high five, Punit bhai, virtual high five. Let's go. Yay! Well, that was Punit Pathak ji hamare beech mein here at Wellness 360 at home, giving us all the insight about his story. But more than that, he was giving you the dance moves जो आप घर बैठ के कर सकते हो और करना भी चाहिए, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर बात कर रहे हैं वेलनेस की, और जब हम बात करते हैं वेलनेस की, we are giving you all that you need to have. And trust me, over the last 8 episodes, we have only nurtured you from who you are to what you've become today by the means of help, and all this with the help of ICICI Lombard and the series Wellness 360 at home. In case you have any suggestion, any feedback, you can always go onto our Facebook page and tag ICICI Lombard and hashtag Wellness 360 at home. My name is Mithun Upadhyay. Make sure you're safe wherever you are. Make sure you're happy wherever you are. And make sure you're dancing, because just take one day at a time and life is just beautiful. Thank you. Have a great time. Enjoy your day and happy Labour's Day and happy month of May. Thank you so much again. See you very soon. Bye-bye.